I still remember your number, can say those digits by heart. With that first drink of the summer, I think about where you are. I dial 235 and you alive. How I miss our late night drives and 4-6. That was it. In my mind I flip a switch. 7-2, forgetting you. It's something I can't seem to do, even though we were just kids. I close my eyes, I'm waiting for the lightning strike to knock me back to 2005, before you took that cross-country flight, before we said goodbye. I still remember the house now, heart beating out of my chest, and walking up to your front door, I can still see the address. I dialed 235 for you alive. How I miss our late night drives and 4-6. How was it that in my mind I flip a switch, and 7-2, forgetting you is something I can't seem to do, even though we were just kids. I close